The Lightning Slice Relay Challenge blasts onto screens as a speedy guide to 3 easy viral tricks that you can try tonight with friends. First, set a tiny table, 2 bowls of fruit, and a plastic knife. Then slice a fruit in a rapid relay while racing a friend to finish a second task without dropping pieces. Add a cardboard balance twist by placing a lightweight box under your non-dominant hand and keep your balance as the timer ticks. Then tag your crew to beat your time. Keep shots tight, jump cuts sharp, and drop high-energy music for momentum. Share your attempts in the comments and invite others to duet your reel to keep the hype alive.